Studying anatomy means that you look at the human body as a biological system, so essentially as an animal, the same as any other animal. So we study it in many different ways. We use microscopes to look at cells. We use bodies or parts of bodies to look at large muscles or joints. We also study evolution, so we call this physical anthropology. So we use bones and fossil evidence to explore how modern human beings became modern human beings and where we may have come from in the past. One of the most interesting things about anatomy is that everyone has an anatomy. So we all have an anatomy, but we don't very often look at that anatomy or see it as a collection of biological systems. I think one of the most interesting things is in looking at cadaveric anatomy, so the study of the body, using bodies, that we're constantly reminded that everyone is different, and even though everyone is different, everyone broadly fits into the same pattern, and we also fit into the same pattern as other mammals. So if you have a dog at home, you look at the dog's foot, it's very similar to your hand, but it's very interesting to explore those differences and those similarities. After finishing their Bachelor of Science degree in anatomy here, students will leave with a very expert set of skills. Those skills will be scientific and primarily based around the use of microscopes and very high-end, very cutting-edge scientific microscopes. They will also gain how to learn from the human body and how to also teach this to other students. They will have very good skills in writing, in presentation of data, and also in finding data or gathering data to present. Our past students, our graduates in anatomy, have gone to many different places. Typically, students will either continue on in university and they will do a master's degree or a PhD. Some students have entered graduate entry medicine degrees or veterinary medicine degrees. Other students have gone on to teach anatomy in other universities, both here and abroad. The type of person suited to studying anatomy at NUI Galway is someone who's broadly interested in biology, any kind of biology, because anatomy is a very important branch of biology and is one of the earliest branches of biology. So if you have a broad interest in biology, if you're interested in how your body works and how your body is put together, then anatomy might be something that you might like to consider.